start from Ubuntu. Ubuntu one of best operating system if I have RAM more than 4 GB. Yes, they suggest 2 GB is enough, but I feel somewhat slow when going through the Ubuntu operating system in my 2 GB RAM. One problem is the interface. It is Unity interface. I hate this look in Ubuntu. Yes, you can install other desktop environments. Ubuntu, I suggest 4 GB of RAM. One of main feature of Ubuntu is software installation. So if you are beginner, this is first time you are testing Linux operating system, I suggest go the first starting point will be the Ubuntu. So go for Ubuntu and download Ubuntu and install in our system and all those things. Without typing any command, you can go through the Ubuntu operating system by installing, even to install drivers, all those things. And recently I faced a problem. The only problem I faced in Ubuntu is slow. When in my 2 GB RAM it is slow. So next operating system, Fedora. Before 2 years, means in 2013 I think so, I used Fedora 12 and 13 versions. Yes, I like Fedora version, those two versions, but after 14 I think so they changed the interface, and it needs somewhat more RAM, means the requirement for the RAM increased. Another problem with Fedora is the versions in last 2 years. I think it go from 10 to means 12 to 21. Currently they are on 21. Fedora core is developed by Red Hat team. So Fedora is, if you compare the competitor for Ubuntu, next will be the Fedora and Linux Mint. But among Fedora and Ubuntu, I suggest Ubuntu. LTS versions means long term support version. They will be 5 years, up to 5 years. There will be regular patches and improvement in the operating system. Again, you go through 14.10, that is released in 2014. Fedora, that is based on your interest. Fedora will come with Genome 3 desktop, and Ubuntu will come with Unity. Among Fedora and Ubuntu, I suggest Ubuntu. So next go through CentOS. CentOS is recently they announced CentOS 7, and it is available only 64-bit version. And CentOS is also, the core of CentOS is based on Red Hat. The only problem with CentOS when compared to Ubuntu and Fedora is drivers. Means I face the driver problem while setting my video card or graphic card and audio drivers, all those things. I face a lot of problem. But when come to programmer, if you are a genuine programmer, means you are only programmer, you are going to use your system for writing code, then CentOS is better. CentOS is speed compared to Ubuntu, somewhat speed compared to Ubuntu. And if you want to go for a complete workstation with graphic utilities and video drivers, audio drivers and all, means once you install the operating system, don't need to touch anything. It will come with all those features. One of operating system is Ubuntu. It will recently I tested 12.04, 12.10. Fedora, not I tested Fedora more than 1.5 years ago. And Linux Mint, if you want to choose, if you have less than 2 GB RAM, I suggest Linux Mint over Ubuntu. Means Linux Mint is somewhat faster than Ubuntu, and again in Linux Mint I suggest Debian version. Yes, it is easy. Linux Mint interface is very nice. It is not like it is compared to Ubuntu, and it will be old interface. So Linux Mint is good operating system, and it has a less, it will work fairly enough in lower RAM, lower end systems. and opens it will come with KDE, and we can install other desktop environment, but I didn't test it. I only tested one time. At that time it is very slow. Recently I am using Arch Linux. The main advantage of Arch Linux when compared to all these operating systems is documentation. If you want to install any software and any configuration, there is a proper documentation in our community. So if you want to become a hardcore Linux user, if you want to use your Linux distribution for everything, and your system is not that much hardware equipped, means you have less than 2 GB RAM, and if you want to learn something, means if you want to learn how to configure your system manually from beginning itself, I suggest Arch Linux. Means if you already have experience with Linux operating system, any of them, Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint, OpenSUSE, some other Stackshare, some other Linux distributions are there. If you have experience with all those, any one of those distributions or all those distributions, I suggest Arch Linux in your desktop. The interesting thing is, I have faced a problem related to NVIDIA graphic card and desktop resolution when I using Mint distribution, and I faced a problem with my audio drivers and headphone problem in Ubuntu and Mint. But in Arch Linux I am fine. I mean, Arch Linux, without any problem, I set up my entire system from beginning. Once I install the core, then on that I install all graphic drivers and desktop environment. It is not like Ubuntu, Fedora, CentOS, all those things, because Arch Linux at beginning it will come with non-desktop environment, means you need to install desktop environment by yourself. So if you have some experience with the Linux operating systems, I suggest Arch Linux, and there is a good documentation. With single click you can install any software. So finally I will suggest Arch Linux. And another advantage of Arch Linux is it is fast. It is very fast, not simple fast, it is very fast. So go for Arch Linux. Thanks.